How to change the lint strips on the Gtech AirRam MK2. Over time you'll see that they wear away or rub off altogether. Now what you do if it's like slightly worn, you just use a small flathead screwdriver, scrape underneath, get the old sticky stuff, adhesive off. What? Now you've got the M3 stick on the back. If you just carefully peel the cover off, then just nicely line it up, stick down, and do the same at the other side. Peel them three off. Make sure you get it on the right way. Stick down. Easy as that. Now it should run across your floor a little smoother.